Do you know how dried tofu skin, or fuju, is produced? Let's take a look at the production process in the fuju factory. First, select these plump, pure soybeans as the raw material. Then, the soybeans are placed into a raw material washing pool. They are washed more than 3 times. After cleaning, they are soaked for 5 to 9 hours with a soy-to-water ratio of 1:3 until the soybeans become plump but not soft enough. Drain the excess water. Then, place them into a grinding machine with a 1. Grind them into fine, milky soy milk with residue. The soy milk is then directly sent into a filtering machine, where the soy milk and the soybean residue are separated. The residue is repeatedly rinsed with clean water 3 times. The filtered soy milk is then placed into a boiling machine, kept at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, to eliminate any remaining particles. The soy milk is then pumped through pipes into a stainless steel tank for skin formation. The bottom of the stainless steel tank is heated to maintain a temperature above 85 degrees Celsius. A fan blows across the surface of the soy milk, causing the surface to cool slightly, forming a layer of tofu skin. Workers then use sterilized bamboo skewers to peel off the tofu skin. According to production needs, they roll it into tofu sticks, or scoop it into small, square tofu skin packets, or simply hang it to dry to form tofu skin. Some are rolled into dried fuju using silicone rods. They are taken out on wooden sticks and wind-dried again, or kept at around 60 degrees Celsius for drying, until the moisture content is below 9%. Is this the kind of fuju you enjoy eating?